Today, I'm going to share with you my 3 crypto investing principles that I guarantee, once you apply them, are going to allow you to achieve explosive crypto market gains while operating safely and responsibly. And the great thing about these principles as well is you can apply them extremely easily and you don't need any previous experience. Honestly, let me walk you through it and I think you're gonna love it. Okay, first principle, build the optimal portfolio structure. This is one of the most important things you need to get right because, as you probably know, there are different levels of risk when it comes to investing in crypto projects. There are some big and very established cryptos that are relatively low risk, and many smaller cryptos that are not as well established and carry a higher risk. That means that you can't treat all crypto investments the same, but instead you must structure your crypto portfolio in buckets that reflect those different levels of risk. And then you need to allocate your invested capital to each of these buckets accordingly. Unfortunately, this, among other things, is something many crypto investors get completely wrong, and as a consequence of that, they get badly burned. Because look, here's the truth. If you're thinking of or have been investing in crypto, you know how incredibly volatile and difficult it can be, both practically and psychologically, to survive the crypto market cycles. You might see your crypto portfolio skyrocket in value during a bull market, only to see it practically disintegrate a few months later with losses of 70%, 80%, 90% or more. Crypto bear markets and the so-called crypto winters, and we've already had quite a few of them over the last few years, are truly devastating for most investors, who often see their hopes and dreams of wealth and financial freedom being literally shattered into pieces during those periods. So what I'm sharing with you here is incredibly important because if you don't fully get it, you'll actually never achieve the results you are hoping for. Which brings me to the second crucial principle. Implement appropriate position sizing. Also, this principle is absolutely critical in determining your success, especially in an asset class like crypto, because when you invest in not yet established crypto projects, it is unbelievably important and in fact vital that you apply the investment approach taken by venture capital firms. So, in the same way that venture capital firms make equal and relatively small investments in companies in the initial stages of development, you need to invest a small and equal amount among all the not yet established crypto projects that you want to get exposure to. This is because it is impossible to know in advance which one or which ones will win big. And the answer to that future uncertainty is applying uniform position sizing to those investments, no matter whether we're talking about young companies or not yet established cryptos. Investing exactly the same amount in each crypto allows you to capture and exploit any big value surges coming from any of the projects that you invest in and maximize your chance of achieving great return on your overall crypto investment, while at the same time minimizing the risk you take. So please do not use your discretion, do not use yours or other people's judgment, feelings or opinions when it comes to deciding how much to invest in each of those crypto projects, because if you do, you're going to dramatically reduce your chances of making good money, or any money at all. Look, applying uniform position sizing allows you to be wrong on most of your crypto picks and still make a huge amount of money. Because given the often extraordinary gains that crypto projects can deliver, very often even the gains from one good single investment can completely eclipse any losses that you might suffer from any of your other crypto investments, and in fact often allows you to achieve amazing results regardless of how your other investments went. Hi, I'm Sergio, and look, these crypto investment principles that I'm sharing with you right now are the very ones that I've been successfully applying myself since 2014, when I bought my first Bitcoin. These principles have allowed me to survive and in fact thrive during the various crypto cycles, the brutal bear markets, and even the disheartening crypto winters that we've experienced since the birth of this incredibly exciting new asset class. How did I manage to do that? Well, I simply applied to the crypto market the same investment principles that allowed me to have an extremely successful career in the hedge funds and asset management industries, where for more than 2 decades I've been responsible for trading, investing, and professionally managing portfolios up to multi-billion dollars, making substantial amounts of money for clients and investors. Obviously, one doesn't get to be responsible for billions of dollars in the market if they don't have an exceptional skill set and if they don't know what they're doing. So look, I love sharing this stuff, and I love when I can pass my crypto market wisdom, experience, and insights that I've accumulated over all these years so that you too can take advantage of all that and make your road to success much faster and frankly much cheaper. And let me reveal to you that thanks to my professional experience in both the traditional and the crypto markets, I can determine with incredible accuracy whether you'll be among the crypto investors who will achieve very disappointing results or whether you'll join those who will make a fortune. Can you guess what determines such a difference in outcome? Well, watch very closely for the answer. On the left, we have the hopeless crypto investor. They see the massive opportunity that crypto offers, but unfortunately, they try to make money by taking a completely irrational and unstructured approach in their portfolio construction, position sizing, and market timing. They invest on hype. They get in during periods of extreme optimism and market euphoria, or when the price is overextended, to then get out during market retracements and even sell out completely at the end of a bear market, exactly when they should be buying. They become victims of FOMO and invest in coins which prices have been pumped, just to see their investments collapse in value as soon as the bubble inevitably pops. They act on fear and greed, hence end up buying at the top, selling at the bottom, and instead of making a fortune, they end up losing money. And worst of all, they often invest with leverage in an attempt to boost their potential return, not really knowing what they're doing and the risk they're really taking. And because of the leverage they use, they often see their invested capital completely wiped out as soon as the market experiences even a mild correction. So they end up having no money left to invest when the true life-changing investment opportunities come along, which is invariably at the end of a bear market or crypto winter. They therefore achieve little to no results, they lose hope and often give up completely, leaving the space empty-handed and extremely frustrated for having completely missed out on this once-in-a-generation opportunity. On the right, however, we have the crypto empire builder, who's able to make a true fortune with crypto because they know how to take advantage of the unbelievable opportunities that this new asset class makes available. Their approach is cold, disciplined, and ruthless. They invest and build their position during market retracements and when the market sentiment is pessimistic, towards the end of bear markets, or even better, at the end of crypto winters. In fact, that is when they are the most excited, because they know that the bull market that will likely come next will massively lift the value of their crypto portfolio, making them millions, tens of millions of dollars or more, allowing them to become unbelievably wealthy. That said, the crypto empire builder never actually focuses on how much they can make, but focuses on the process, on doing the right thing, on optimally structuring their portfolio in buckets, on investing in each crypto project with the appropriate position size, and on riding and exploiting the crypto market waves as a pro. So they never get emotions take over and affect their decisions at the slightest. They never ever act on FOMO, on hype, and never get in during periods of extreme optimism or market exuberance. They don't experience at all fear and greed because they know that they're doing the right thing. They're also very well of the fact that the crypto market is volatile enough to give them big enough wealth building potential, hence don't see the need to add unnecessary risk by using leverage. That mindset, those actions, and those behaviors allow them to go on to grow their crypto investment portfolio exponentially, while at the same time acting safely and responsibly. They are therefore able to become rich and accumulate a level of wealth that allows them to be truly free, do what they love to do, be happy, and live an amazing and fulfilling life. Now, once I realized about this startling difference between the hopeless crypto investor and the crypto empire builder, it started to become more and more important to me to try to help anybody who so desires acquire both the mindset and the knowledge required to operate and invest like an expert in the crypto space without being an expert, hence giving the opportunity to people to build exponential, life-changing wealth with crypto. All of which brings me to the third crucial principle to apply when investing in crypto. Ride the crypto market waves. Look, if you want to succeed in the market, and no matter which market, you've got to understand that the markets move in waves. This means that irrespective of how strong a market is, the price never goes up in a straight line. Instead, the price makes 2 or 3 steps upwards and then 1 or 2 steps downwards. Then again 2 or 3 steps upwards followed by another 1 or 2 steps downwards. This pattern repeats over and over again, no matter the market or time frame you look at. Well, guess what? The exact same happens in the crypto market. This means that the approach to effectively exploit the market opportunities and trends and the logic behind when to enter and exit positions is exactly the same, no matter whether you're dealing with crypto, with the stock market, or with any other market or liquid asset class. Now, what does all that practically mean for you and for your decisions when it comes to investing in crypto? Well, that means that you must learn how to ride these waves and how to take advantage of this pretty predictable, if you know what you're doing, that is, market dynamic. You want those market waves to work for you, not against you. So how do you do that? Look, understanding and learning this properly requires going deeper into how the market moves and behaves, which is beyond the scope of this video. But please don't worry, I have you covered, because you are going to be able to master all that and much more at the end of an incredibly valuable free email course that we've put together specifically for you watching this video. All you have to do is click on the link and then just enter your name and email address to get instantly enrolled. Once you sign up for free, you will then receive a few emails with some incredibly valuable education and information that I guarantee will be eye-opening at the very least. And the great thing is, you will get the first email immediately after requesting free access to the email course. Look, unlike our previous version of this course, which used to be delivered over 3 weeks via several emails, we've now pared it down to just 3 emails delivered over just 3 days. This way, you're going to get all the information you need about the outstanding crypto opportunity and how to capture it in the best possible way extremely quickly. So, should you go ahead with this? Well, look, the thing is, if you're going to invest in anything, you want to do so with the help and the guidance of the most knowledgeable and successful people in that industry. Because if you've been yourself through a crypto bull-bear cycle, you know how challenging it can be. Trying to navigate crypto cycles is like trying to trek through the Amazon without a guide. You are going to get slaughtered. So just don't do that. So look, if you want to plug into my work in the space and have someone like me as a trusted guide with more than 2 decades of professional financial services experience, including trading and investing in all asset classes, including crypto, well, this is your opportunity. All you have to do is request free access to my email course where I share all my knowledge, my experience, and my insights. As soon as you do that, you'll be well on your way to start building true wealth in the crypto market the professional way, safely and responsibly. The thing is, the crypto opportunity we have in front of us is incredible and can truly be life-changing if you get access to the right insights and follow a method instead of throwing money at the industry like the roulette table. So if you want to tap into what I know and what I do thanks to my exclusive access to true insiders and to world-class experts that very few people on the planet have access to, if you want that my skill set and experience on this brand new asset class guide you in the best possible way so that you can transform your life and reach a level of wealth you never thought possible, I invite you to join me in this journey. I will handhold you so that you won't make the mistakes others make. You won't fall into the same traps. We will do all the work for you so that you won't have to. But remember, no matter what you're going to decide to do, you need to act fast, because this mind-blowing opportunity that crypto offers won't be around for much longer, at least not to the extent and magnitude it is presenting to us right now. In fact, most likely this is the very last chance you will get to make life-changing gains in crypto. Once Wall Street is in, once the institutions are in, well, that's going to be too late. Game over. Sure, there are going to be still some opportunities for some gains, but the type of extraordinary and life-changing gains that we have right now? No way. Sorry, not anymore. Now, look, the reality is that if you don't take action right now and don't request free access to my email course, you will likely be a hopeless crypto investor. But if you decide to get off the fence and take this small but likely life-changing decision to sign up for free right now, well, you will jump over to the Crypto Empire Builders camp pretty much immediately. So the decision is yours. Do you want to be a hopeless crypto investor and resign to a mediocre life, or do you want to become a crypto empire builder and change your life for good? Remember, action taking is a trait that characterizes all successful people and all successful crypto investors. You can become one of them starting today by grabbing this incredible opportunity and signing up to this free email course. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside.